Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a picture-in-picture video on the VideoStar app. Select a project, press new, and select mix. Then you are going to choose pick in pic. For the first one, I'm just going to choose this clip that I already have. And then for the second one, I can either choose the same one or I can press this plus button and choose a video from my gallery. After that, I'm just going to choose import. And after that, you're just going to choose mix clips. And you're going to press done. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.